Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Etoro to TradingView. You might be wondering how to link these two powerful platforms. The good news is that Etoro has seamlessly integrated TradingView's advanced charting features directly into its own platform. This means you can access top-tier technical analysis tools without ever leaving your Etoro account, making your trading experience much more efficient and informed. Accessing these powerful charts is quite straightforward. Simply log into your Etoro account and navigate to the homepage of any asset you are monitoring. You will find a dedicated chart button. Clicking or tapping this will open the integrated TradingView charts. Here, you can immediately begin using more than 100 indicators and over 50 drawing tools to analyze market trends in detail. This integration brings a wealth of analytical power right to your fingertips. You can leverage advanced technical analysis tools, including extended Fibonacci, Gann, and Elliott analysis tools, to deepen your market understanding. The ability to customize charts with numerous indicators and drawing options allows for highly personalized analysis, helping you to spot potential trading opportunities with greater precision and confidence. It is important to clarify that, while Etoro utilizes TradingView's charting technology, this is an integration within the Etoro platform itself. You cannot directly link your Etoro account to the TradingView website to execute trades from there. The primary benefit is having TradingView's robust charting and analytical capabilities readily available within your Etoro account, enhancing your research without needing to switch platforms for analysis.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.